The price of success is hard work, dedication to a job at hand, and the determination that whether we win or lose, we have applied the best of ourselves to the task at hand. That right there, hate to say it like this, but you're welcome, is from Mr. Vince Lombardi. And I think Vince Lombardi has an idea of what the word winning means. I think nobody could disagree with that. I don't think anyone can fight that. One more time, Mr. Vince, can you share with us? He told me, the price of success, James, is hard work, dedication to the job at hand, and the determination that whether we win or lose, we've applied the best out of ourselves to the task at hand. Now, at the end of the day, is there going to be a winner or a loser? Yes, there is. At the end of the day, is there going to be someone who's going to be known as the best and someone who's not as good as that person? Yes. At the end of the day, if you're all up for a promotion, all up for a job, you either got it or didn't. All that's true, winning and losing. But the real battle that we have, as long as you're doing something for the long term of it, is one thing. Are you happy with what you did? Did you do everything that you humanly possibly could have done to yourself? I'm not trying to promote a YouTube channel, but I highly recommend a brand new YouTube channel that just started from Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. And on that YouTube channel, he shares all the pitfalls that he's gone through to get to where he is today. So many people, including myself, I never watched wrestling, so when I heard about The Rock, I knew he was a wrestler. And to be honest with you, by the time I heard of Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, he was already famous. He was already a wrestler, and he was already doing his thing. He was already doing very well for himself. But if you hear his backstories of all the failures he's had to even become a wrestler, that's amazing. Because his dream wasn't wrestling. His dream was becoming a football player. And he couldn't do that. He injured it, and basically like I said, you either did or didn't, and he didn't. He failed at that. He could not be a football player because he got himself injured. And then he went to wrestling. And then the transition from wrestling to a movie actor, and then the transition that a lot of people aren't forgetting, he's not just a movie actor, he is a Hollywood superstar. He is what we would, if we were in England or if we were in Europe, you would call him royalty. He is American movie Hollywood royalty. He puts movies on steroids, meaning movies are okay, but when he's in it, it gets excitement. When he promotes it, people are excited about it. And that's what he's been able to do. And the reason I mentioned him is because he talks about what Vince Lombardi talks about, whether it doesn't matter if you're gonna win or lose, it's whatever you did you do the best that you possibly could do? Did you do everything that you humanly could have done to make whatever you're working on work? Did you do everything? Because if you failed, that doesn't matter, because you're always going to win and you're always going to fail. No matter who you look at, that is the ultra success in the limelight many times is the Kardashian family. The Kardashian family, and I'm including the Jenners too, the little sisters too, they've all had massive success. No one's gonna disagree. But people forget about all the shows that have been canceled. They have their spin-offs, those get canceled. Caitlyn Jenner, even as big as she is, that show got canceled, right? Clothing lines and also their makeup lines, those get canceled all the time. Kris Jenner, the mom, her show got canceled. It's just that because they do so much and they're doing everything they possibly can, the wins that they have, no one cares about the losses. And that's gonna be you. If you're focused and you're determined that whatever you're doing at that particular time, you're gonna do nothing but that, and you're gonna put every blood, sweat, and tear into that. You're gonna do everything you possibly can into that one thing. It just doesn't matter whether you win or lose, because of all the compounding work that you've done up to that will lead you to the success point that you are meant to be at. It will lead you to where you wanna be at. So Vince Lombardi, we appreciate it. The price of success is hard work, dedication to the job at hand, and the determination that whether we win or lose, we've applied the best of ourselves to the task at hand.